Ang nananalig sa akin ay hindi lamang sa akin nananalig, kundi pati sa nagsugo sa akin. At ang nakakita sa akin,
I follow Jesus, I follow Jesus. He bore my sin, now gladly.
Lord, I put everything in your hands today. My family, my health, my home, my security, my fears. Your
Put Jesus first. When you wake up in the morning, put him first. When you're tired, put him first.